Hello everyone. Welcome to Hugging Face RepoSense. This is a project that I've made for the Gradio Agents and MCP Hackathon under the track Agent Demo Track. So this project is going to act like a discovery agent for you. So it can talk to you, it will understand your user requirements, and then using Hugging Face Hub, it's going to find the perfect repo for you. So let's look at some of its features. Let's start with the AI assistant itself. So as you can see from the prompt over here, it's asking you for your ideal repo. What do you want the repo to do exactly? Let's take an example of a audio splitter. I want something that can split the audio into vocals or into instruments. Let's see. So based on my question, it will reply back and it'll keep on asking me more things. So let's see what else it can ask. I want it to use any pre-trained model. And now that it had sufficient information, it has gone to analysis and results. So it found, as you can see, around 8 repos, which does what we want it to do. And it's going to analyze every single repo. The way it works is it goes to every repo, it downloads all the files of that repository, and it goes through all of those files. And then it analyzes it and gives us a nice and complete CSV file like the one in front of you. There are two CSV files. The first CSV file are the top three the top three repos that the model thinks is most appropriate for you. As you can see, it gives strengths, weaknesses, and speciality. And the second CSV file is all the other repositories which it has found. You can obviously use this as well. Now to go ahead with this, let's see. I like this specific repo. Let me click on it, and I can do two things with it. I can either just directly go to it actual repository space, or I can now go and open Repo Explorer. This is another feature of this repository where once you click on it, it will load in the repository again, and there will be a new chatbot which will use this new repository to talk with you. So you can ask it very specific questions about the repository exactly. So as you can see over here, I can now ask it like, what does it do? Let's see. Yeah, this seems pretty cool. Let me see what kind of technology. And I can keep on asking it more things. I can even ask for the code directly if I wanted to. So that's there. Uh, and there's another feature for this. We can go to Smart Search. And let's say you don't want to talk to the AI assistant and have a long, drawn out conversation. You can just use any of the keywords that you would use anyway on Hugging Face to search for stuff. So let's say audio splitter. I can add more keywords if required, but for now, one should be sufficient. So as you can see, it found 4 different repos and it's going to analyze each and every one of them, just like before. Yeah. Another thing you could do is if you already have a list of repos and you just want some kind of analysis on it, you can just print those over here and paste them. And we'll again do the same thing. So I pasted 5 repositories and it's doing that now. Here is the CSV file. And again, just like before, I can click on any one of those and go and talk with it in the Repo Explorer. And there's also a very helpful help button just to see how the system works. You can use that as well. And there's also a reset button. If you just want to reset everything to the beginning, you can do that. And that's about it for HF RepoSense. I would love to hear what you think about it in the community section. The link to this repository should be pasted in the description as well. Thank you for paying attention and hope to hear your thoughts. Thank you.